Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit your Tinder profile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the bottom of your screen and click on Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can view how your profile appears to potential matches. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button at the top of the screen and click on it. This is where you'll be able to make all the changes and updates to your profile information. Now let's start with your media section, which is where you can manage all your photos. This is one of the most important parts of your profile since it's the first thing people see. To add a new photo, simply click the plus icon. This will prompt you to upload from library. Go ahead and click that option, then select the image you want to add from your photo library. After choosing your image, click Next to proceed, and then click Done to confirm your selection. If you ever want to remove a photo, it's just as easy. Simply click the X icon that appears on the image you want to delete, and it will be removed from your profile. Moving on to the About Me section, this is where you can input your bio. Your bio is your chance to share a bit about your personality, interests, or what you're looking for, so take a moment to craft something that represents you well. Next, in the Interests section, you can add your hobbies, favorite movies, sports teams, TV shows, or games. This helps potential matches find common ground with you and gives them great conversation starters. Now let's talk about relationship goals. Click on Looking For and you'll see several options to choose from. You can select long-term partner, open to short, short-term open to long, short-term fun, new friends, or still figuring it out. Pick the option that best matches what you're hoping to find on Tinder. This helps set clear expectations right from the start. In the pronoun section, click Add Pronoun and choose from the pronouns provided. This allows you to express your identity clearly. For your height, simply click on the height field and add or edit your height information. In the Languages I Know section, you can add any languages you speak, which can help you connect with people from different backgrounds. You can also fill out the Basics section where you'll find options like zodiac sign, education level, and other personal details. In the Lifestyle section, you can add information like whether you have pets, your drinking habits, and more. These details help paint a fuller picture of who you are. Additionally, you can add your job title, company name, school, where you're currently living, your anthem, your top Spotify artist, gender, and sexual orientation. All of these elements work together to create a complete and authentic profile that helps you connect with the right people. And that's it. You've now customized your Tinder profile with all the information that matters most to you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.